So this is a take on a recipe that we have at La Marcha. It is a balsamic brown butter. We're gonna saute the Brussels sprout leaves with it and then toss it with some cranberries and pistachios and jamon serrano.
Okay.
And jamon is like it's similar to prosciutto, but it's from Spain and it's very similar though. So we'll start with the butter because it takes a minute for it to brown up. And so you want to do it, you know, kind of medium to low, and it takes about, I don't know, 5 minutes. While the butter is browning up, we can toast our nuts in this other pan here.
Okay.
And you can do this in the oven ahead of time, too.
Oh, good.
It evenly cooks them, I feel like, in the oven.
Yeah.
On the pan, it's really easy to, like, look away and to burn them.
I love butter. Who doesn't love butter?
We can just take these and put them here. Once they cool a second, we can chop them up. We're gonna crisp up some jamon here. And then we'll just kind of fine chop this, or, you know, quick chop it, too, and put it on top at the end. I'm just gonna add the mustard.
Oh, right, it's okay. Right to the butter.
Mm-hmm. And then a little bit of balsamic. And then a little bit of honey.
It smells really good out here. What really inspired you? Why do you love food?
I like the process of it. We'll just take a little bit of the butter.
Okay.
Put it in our pan that's already kind of hot here. It smells and the sizzles and all of those things.
Oh, wow, that smells so good.
And then instead of doing clumps of Brussels sprouts to kind of make it like a saute, like you'd do sauteed kale or sauteed spinach, we separated the leaves. And then just for a little balance, we'll add some lemon juice to it as well.
Okay. Cranberries are a neat twist.
Yeah.
Are we gonna deglaze the pan?
Yes. Not only are we gonna deglaze the pan, we're gonna use this bourbon to do it.
Perfect, all right. There's the flame. That's what we
were
want.
looking for.
I know people love Brussels sprouts. I do. Just to like really have fun with it and do different dishes
and
is nice.
They're easy, and all of these, you know, are side dishes. They could be, if you add a little something to them, like you were saying, like a protein, they could be made into a meal. So then just a little on top, some nuts.
Yeah.
And then I like to serve it with a lemon as well, just in case.
I'm just gonna
a little extra. Yeah, right.
Bacon. I think that's beautiful. Ready? Mmm. It's deep and rich.
It's warm.
And it's warm. I've never tasted Brussels sprouts like that before. And it's delicious.
Thank you.